Are you looking to engage more effectively on Twitter? In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of replying to a user who mentioned you in a tweet on Twitter while using your PC. Let's get started. First, open Twitter and locate the post you wish to respond to. Once you've found the tweet, click on the reply button situated below it. This action will prompt a reply box to appear. To respond directly to the user who mentioned you, click on their username next to the Replying To section. This ensures that your reply is directed specifically to them. Now, to exclude the original tweeter from your reply, simply locate the checkbox next to their username under the tweet and uncheck it. This step ensures that your response is focused solely on the user who mentioned you. After excluding the user, click on the Close button at the top right corner of the tweet. This finalizes the user exclusion process and allows you to proceed with composing your reply. All that's left to do is type out your response in the reply box and click the Reply button to post it. By following these steps, you can effectively engage with users who have mentioned you in their tweets on Twitter using your PC. Start enhancing your Twitter interactions today with this simple and effective method. Happy tweeting!